We could not be more excited about Utopia of the Seas. On Utopia, we have 5 pools, 8 whirlpools. We've got multiple water slides. Then when you combine that with what Perfect Day at Coco Cay offers, more water slides. The largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean, more food and beverage options, more pools. It's going to be extraordinary.
There is no better option for a quick getaway than the combination of Utopia of the Seas plus Perfect Day at Coco Cay. You're not going to find it anywhere in the vacation industry.